2024 exercise, led by the Aegean Army Command, is split into two phases. The first, a computer-assisted command post exercise, already underway from April 25th to May 8th, sets the strategic groundwork. Following this, the live firing field exercise from May 9th to 30th pulls in the largest participation in the EFES series to date, with 49 countries taking part. This phase is not just about firing weapons, it's about synchronizing complex operations across diverse military units and national forces, enhancing joint military capabilities and readiness levels. In addition to these exercises, a defense industry exhibition is slated for May 28th in Izmir, showcasing the latest in military technology. Furthermore, an elite observer day for the live firing field exercise will occur on May 29th and 30th, offering a unique vantage point into the operational capabilities of the participating forces. In conclusion, these exercises underscore a critical aspect of modern military strategy: preparation and partnership. By hosting and participating in such extensive exercises, Turkey and its allies not only refine their own capabilities, but also contribute to a broader collective security framework. These drills ensure that forces are not just ready, but are also capable of operating seamlessly with allies, a necessity in today's interconnected world where threats seldom confine themselves within national borders. Through such rigorous training and cooperation, global security is not just an ideal, it becomes a practical reality.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.